Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade using trend channels in MCX crude oil 3-minute candlestick chart, and it is a continuous video presentation. Yesterday we had drawn a few trend channels, and now let's see the updates, how it was useful for yesterday's trading. So this is the first trend channel, and you could see that yesterday the entire price action happened in this zone, but we could see the trend channel is nowhere near that. The first trend channel is of no use, and the second trend channel, if we could see that, and the second trend channel, the price after the price was trading below this blue line, and slowly steadily it went and tested this blue line, and it acted as a resistance to push the price down. So the next trend channel, normally we used to draw 3 trend channels. Again, this trend channel is nowhere near the price action. So in the yesterday's market, the market continued its steep selling. So the price, all the 3 channels, out of the 3 channels, only one channel was near the price action. Now let's go and see how we can draw trend channels for today. We had drawn a trend channel by connecting few highs that had happened in the last 2 trading sessions. You could see the high here, here, and probably today the price is expected to open somewhere near this zone. So surely we could expect price to trade near our trend channels for today for sure. What we don't want the price to happen, the price should not come within this blue line. If you are a buyer, you don't want the price to enter this channel. If the price is entering this channel, it will continuously have some downtrend. If it is not happening, then it indicates some sideways corrections or consolidation or retracement. So this is the importance of this first trend channel. Now let's go and see how we can draw the second trend channel. So this is the second trend channel which we had drawn just by picking the yesterday's price action alone. By we could see the low was increasing here, so and also 4760 is acting as a crucial zone. So the expected price opening is somewhat here. So in order for the price to go continuously for some retracement buying, it should stay within this zone. If it is coming outside this blue line and it is breaking this 4760, it indicates the continuation of downtrend. So in this way, again, this trend channel is of going to be of great use. And the third trend channel, you can see this is the third trend channel. We had drawn this by picking the trend which you could see from 4660 the price took a deviation, and it sharply moved from this trend and deviated above this red line. So now it is trading within this line. So we had picked the too low. We expect if there is any sort of buying, then it should continue this channel. If the price is coming out of this blue line, it indicates that the market is going to drop down, and since the price is expected to stay within this zone, we need to see how the price is reacting within this violet line, whether it is acting as a support or acting as a resistance. So these 3 trend lines or trend channels are very crucial for today's trading, and let's see how this is going to perform, and we will update about the performance in the Monday video presentation. Thanks a lot. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.